Good evening, viewers. Let us continue to solve problems from the last year's CBSE test papers. We were solving some multiple choice questions from 2025 CBSE Mathematics Standard question paper. Let us go for the next question number 5. In the previous class, we have solved up to the 4th question. Now, let us go to the 5th question. It says, if the given figure shows the graph of polynomial y equal to x square plus bx plus c, then the graph looks like this. Then a is positive, b square is less than 4ca, c is positive, and a and b are of same sign. So here, this is a quadratic polynomial, x square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. And now we have to, from the shape of the graph, we have to decide the sign of a, right? Yeah. Now let us look at one standard example of quadratic polynomials. Y is equal to x square. Why could x square looks like this? Why could x square? It is symmetric about the y-axis. What is graph of a function? It is the set of points x comma f of x, as x varies for the domain of the function f. Okay, here if you take y equal to x square, x can be any real number, so the domain of the function is the real line, the number line. So you can see that if you look at the you keep on giving various values for x, okay, then you can see that these ordered pairs become points like this when they are joined with a smooth curve. This red colored graph shows the graph of the function y equal to x square. It will be above the x-axis, but for x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, 0 square, y also becomes 0. So 0 comma 0 is a point. So this is equal to x comma for fx means y. These are actually the points x comma y. So it is x comma x square. These points form the graph of the function as x varies for the domain of the function, which is the number line. Okay. So this is standard example. Y equal to x square. It looks like u as a u in the shape of the English letter u. And if you multiply with a positive number small a, you get y equal to ax square as a new function. Its shape also will be similar. And if in case you multiply x square equal to by minus 1, all these, right, y values become negative. X square is multiplied, x square is always greater than or equal to 0. If you multiply it by minus, they become less than or equal to 0. So y coordinates become on this half line, okay, bottom half y-axis. So you get points, right? You get points in these two quadrants. In fact, if you treat x-axis as the mirror, and if you treat the graph of y equal to x square as object, y equal to minus x square becomes the image of this y equal to x square. That is how the graph of y equal to minus x square will be in this reverse u. Okay, yeah, in this tilted u, right? And then if in case you are multiplying x square by a negative number a, then it is multiplying minus x square by positive number a. So still the graph of y equal to ax square also will be in this shape, of this black curve. Okay, when a is negative. If in case you shift this graph by a constant, means you are increasing the y coordinates compared to this by a constant c. If your c is positive, you'll be lifting this graph above the x-axis by this much. This becomes a c. This becomes a c. Okay. This portion becomes a c. If your c is positive, this graph gets lifted over the x-axis vertically. And if in case your c is negative, you have to bring it down. You have to bring it down, take this down further. It will be somewhere here. It may be somewhere here like this. Okay, if your c is negative. Well, the answer for your for the given question becomes A positive. A positive is the answer. I think it is 1 or capital A. Let's look at the choices. Yeah, the given graph is in the shape of this shifted. Right? This is further shifted. So its center is varying. So that's why the given graph is in the shape of this graph. It shifted towards right hand side. Actually, here for this graph, center becomes x minus 0 whole square. Origin becomes center, and for this graph, origin becomes some 0 comma 2 units. Okay, this becomes center. So if the center is somewhere here, if the center is some 3 comma 2 units, then this graph will be something like this. It will be like this. Okay, it gets shifted. This graph gets shifted. So the given graph is in this shape. The given graph is in this shape. Okay, so the answer is A is negative. Okay, here you have y is equal to minus x square plus c. So when A negative means this shape is taken apart and then by some 2 units, by some 3 units, and oh yeah, this is 2. So this graph is shifted vertically by 2 units and then moved horizontally by 3 units because of this. So you get vertical movement and then horizontal movement. So the given graph is of this shape. So the solution is A negative. A negative is solution, and that is in the choice 1, I think. Yeah, A, capital A. Okay, so this is the right solution. Actually, what is happening is this one. The actual mathematics is this. Yeah, we are given x square plus bx plus c. So out of this, a can be taken out. Then you have x square plus b by a into x plus c, and then this can be made a perfect square. X square plus you treat this as 2ab term. That is 2 into 2 into b by 2a into x. So this can be written as 2 into b by 2a into x plus c, and then you convert this into perfect square. That is, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab. So you have a plus b whole square. That is x square plus b by 2a whole square. It is in form of a plus e whole square. Means you have supplied b by 2a whole square. So you have to subtract that. That is b square by 2a square whole square. That is 4a square. And then you are multiplying this by this. So you have minus b square by 4a and a into this. And then, here you have x plus b by 2a whole square. This is always greater than or equal to 0. These are all real numbers. So, right, if you are considering a quadratic means this a is non-negative. That this a is non-negative. Quadratic means a is non-negative. So a is non-zero. So a is non-zero. So you have Yeah. So, and this is a real number. X plus b by 2a is a real number. Its square is greater than or equal to 0. Into a is not right. Is yeah. Uh, yeah, it depends on the sign of A. If A is negative, this whole thing becomes negative. Okay. So when your A is negative, this is in the form of y into ax square, or because our graph, the given graph is shifted, so it is in the form of y is equal to a into x minus h whole square. Okay, or rather, further generalized, y minus k is equal to a into x minus h whole square, where the center of the graph is h comma k. So when a is negative, okay. So when a is negative, because this is greater than or equal to 0, this becomes less than or equal to 0. Okay. That is the reason why for a negative, the graph is coming into this shape. That is, it is reversing. It is reversing, right? Compared to y equal to x square, right? It is becoming the image of y equal to x square, and then this is shifting. This is this yeah, this minus b square by 4a plus c. Okay, that can be further simplified. Okay, to be minus of b square minus 4c by 2a. 4a is LCM. 4ca comes here. Minus can be taken out. So b square minus 4ca. This is a real number. This is a real number. So it creates translation. It creates translation for the graph. Okay, it creates shifting for the graph. It creates shifting for the graph. Right? Yeah. So this is the mathematics involved here. But in the exam you can't do all this. You have to remember that the shape of y equal to minus x square will be like this, and then this is y minus k equal to x minus h whole square plus some constant. So it will be like this. Okay. Yeah. So you have to be remembering some properties of these parabola, and then work out the multiple choice questions. You can't do the complete mathematics there. Yeah. Let's look at the next question. That is question number 6. Yeah. This is about a trapezium. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to SR. The value of X is, yeah. So in this figure, you have the side PQ is parallel to the side SR. Means it is a trapezium, right? And we have to find the value of X. How can we do? Yeah, what is X? This is the points P, Q, R, S form a trapezium because these two opposite sides are parallel. Now you join the diagonals PR and SQ, right? Now let them intersect at the point O. Now OS is x plus 3, OQ is x plus 5, PO is x minus 1, OR is x minus 2. Yeah. Now we are given that these two lines are parallel, and you look at these angles. So these two angles, this angle and this angle, are alternate interior angles, so they become equal. Similarly, this angle and this angle become alternate interior angles, they also become equal. Let us look at the picture. Yeah. So this angle and this angle is angle RSO, and this angle is angle OQP. These two are alternate interior angles. These two lines SR and PQ are parallel, therefore they become equal. Similarly, these two sides are parallel, and this angle SRO, and this angle OPQ, they they are alternate interior angles, they become equal, right? And of course, this is right. This is a pair of vertically opposite angles. They become equal. Now, these two triangles, the triangle OSR and the triangle OPQ, they become similar. Okay, angles are equal, therefore they become similar. Right? These three angles are equal to these three angles. Right? This is equal to this is equal to this, and these two are equal. So these two triangles are this triangle ORS and OQ ORS and OPQ. They are similar. Therefore, their sides will be in proportion. Means you take the side opposite to this angle S. So it is x minus 2 by the corresponding angle for this is this. So it's the side opposite to this x minus 1. So x minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to the side opposite to this is x plus 3 by the side opposite to this is x plus 5. So you have this equation because of the proportionality of the sides of these two similar triangles. Now you do cross multiplication. You have x minus 2 into x plus 5 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 1. X minus 2 into x plus 5 is x plus 3 into x minus 1. Now this becomes x squared minus 2x plus 5x, that is plus 3x. And then minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus x, that is plus 2x. And then plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, x square cancel out. You have 3x plus 2x. So 2x cancels in 3x, x times 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 10 taken to this side, x is 10 becomes 10 on this side. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the value of x is 7. So answer is D. Answer is D. Yeah. So answer is D. Okay. Well, let us look at the next question. That is question number 8. Yeah. That is question number 7. The total number of factors of the square of a prime number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. It is 2. A positive A positive integer becomes prime if its only factors are 1 and itself. Means, for example, 2 is a prime. Its only factors are 1 and 2. Okay, therefore, answer is 2. Right? The total number of factors of this. Oh, sorry. The total number of factors of the square of a prime number. Yeah. Oh, let us look at this. Let us go to slide. Square of a prime number. Okay. This is question number 7. That is a twist. Question number 7. Square of a prime. Okay. So this right. This can be written as 1 into p square. Right. If p is a prime, you can write p square as 1 into p. 1 into p, not p square. Okay. So what are the factors? 1 is factor. P square itself is factor. And p is a factor. Okay. This can also be written as 1 into p square. Right. So yeah. So 1 is a factor, p is a factor, and p square is also a factor. So the total number of factors in the square of a prime number are 3. The total number of factors of the square of a prime number are 3. Answer is 3. Answer is C. Right? Yeah, answer is C. Why? prime number means its only factors are itself and 1. Okay, when you square it, you have 1 square into p square. This can be written as 1 into p. So that's how. For p square, factors will be 1 and p square, and this also becomes a factor because in the product this p exists. So it also becomes a factor for p square. That's how you get 3 factors for the square of a prime. Okay, answer is C. Yeah. Now let's go to the next question. The total number of factors of the square of a prime number is 3. Yeah. A circle with center P O 5 passes through the point A0, 9. Okay. The length of the diagonal of the largest square inside this circle is dash. Right? You have a circle with center P 4, 5 and a point on it. This circle is passing through this point means this is the point on the circle. That is A0, 9. And we have to find the length of the diagonal of the largest square inside this circle. So let's look at this slide. Yeah, it is this. So you have a circle, its center is given, and then a point on it is given. Means the circle is passing through this point, and we are considering the largest square inscribed inside this circle. Means the circle has to pass through that. You can see that the largest square uh, uh, is circumscribed by this circle. Okay, right? Is yeah. Now for this largest square, the diagonal becomes this much. If I call this square A B C D, then its diagonal is the diameter of this circle. The diagonal of this largest square becomes the diagonal of this circle. And you are given P and A. P is center and A is on this circle. Therefore, PA becomes radius. PA becomes radius. This is radius. From here to here, it becomes radius. Right? So we calculate AP. Okay. Right. That is radius R. So this is how much? What you need is AC. AC is twice the radius. AC is twice the radius. Okay, let us calculate AP. AP is what? Square root of 4 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 9 whole square. That is minus 4 whole square. Okay, that is root 4 square plus 4 square. That is twice 4 square. Okay, what is AP? AP is square root of 4 minus 0 whole square, that is 4 square, plus 5 minus 9 whole square, that is minus 4 whole square. So 4 square plus minus 4 whole square is 4 square. These two are equal, so you get twice of 4 square. So this is, when 4 square comes out of square root, it becomes 4 root 2. Okay, and what we need is AC. AC is twice of this. AC is twice of this. That is 2 into 4 root 2. That is 8 root 2. Okay. AC is twice of R. That is 2 into 4 root 2. That is 8 root 2. Okay. That is the diagonal of the largest such square. Okay, let us look at the choices. This is 8 root 2. B B is answer. B is answer 822. B is answer. Choice B is answer. Okay. Yeah. Let us look at the next question. Oh, this we could, yeah. So it is question number 9. The sixth term of the AP root 27, root 75, root 147 is dash. This is given to be AP. Root 27 is what? It is 3 cube, so you get 3 root 3. 3 square into 3, so you get 3 root 3. 75 is 3 into 25, 3 into 5 square, you get 5 root 3. 147. It becomes 49 into 3. So you get 3 into 7 square, it becomes 7 root 3. So you have hmm, yeah, you have uh, question number 7. Where I worked out. Okay, again we'll do it. You have root 27. That is question number 7. Root, root 27 and root 75 and root 147 and so on. For this, you have to find the nth term. The sixth term you have to find root 27, root 75, root 47 and so on. This is given to be AP. This is given to be AP. For this, you have to find the sixth term. Sixth term. Okay, this is the question. Root 27 is what? Root 27 is equal to root 3 into 3 square. This is equal to 3 root 3. Similarly, root 75 is 3 into 5 square, 3 into 25, 3 into 5 square. So this is equal to 5 root 3. So this is equal to root 3 into, you divide 3. Yeah, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12. So this is divided by 3. Divide this by 3, you get 4 3s are 12, 27 is 9. So this is nothing but 3 into 7 square, you get 7 root 3. Okay, so the given AP is 3 root 3, 5 root 3, 7 root 3, and so on. The common difference is a term minus its preceding term. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. That is, root 3 is common, 5 minus 3 is 2. So it is 2 root 3. Root 3 into 5 minus 3, that is 2 root 3. And T6, the sixth term will be, nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is nth term. And we have to take n equal to 6. So this is a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So that is, a is what? 3 root 3. That is the first term. 3 root 3 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. And d is 2 root 3. So this is 10 root 3 plus 3, 13 root 3. Okay. The given term is in terms of entire square root. So it is 3 root 3. Yeah. 5 into 2, 10. 3 root 3 plus 10 root 3 is 13 root 3. 3 plus 10. Root 3 is common. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 root 3. Take 13 inside the square root. It becomes 13 square. So this is root 169 into 3. That is root 507. So this is, yeah, this is, let us pick up the right choice. So, so it is D, 90. It is question 9. This is question 9. Question 9. Answer is D. This is answer. Right? Root 507. Okay, let us look at the next question. Yeah, yeah. For 9, answer is D, root 507. Let us look at the next question. That is question number 10. The numerical value of the area of a circle is equal to that of the perimeter of a semicircular disk, both having equal radius. The radius is the numerical value of the area of a circle is equal to that of the perimeter of a semicircular disk, both having equal radius. We have a circle, let its radius be r, and its area is equal to the perimeter of a semicircular disk of the same area, of the same radius. Okay, so yeah, we have to take a semicircle of the radius r, and its perimeter is equal to the area of the circle of radius r, and then we have to calculate the radius. Let us see. Okay, so this is question number 10. This is question number 10. So let us take a circle with radius r. Okay, radius r. Right. For this radius is r. So the area of this circle is this is pi r square, and we have a semicircle of the same radius. Okay, we have a semicircle of the same radius. This similar to this. Okay, so again here the radius is r. The radius is r. So what is the area? Uh, what is the perimeter of the semicircle? It is pi r plus 2r. Okay, the right for the semicircle, what is perimeter? That is for the full circle, circumference is 2 pi r. For this curved portion has length of 2 pi r. Of 2 pi r is pi r plus this is twice of radius. This is diameter. This is diameter plus diameter. That is 2r. This is the this is the perimeter of this semicircular disk. So these two are equal. By hypothesis, these two are equal. This is equal to pi r square. So you have r is common on this side. So r into pi plus 2 is equal to pi r square. R is positive, so you can cancel. Okay, you need r, so you take pi to the other side. So r equal to 5 plus 2 by r equal to 5 plus 2 by 5. Okay. You need r, take pi to the other side. It divides. Here it is multiplying, it divides on the other side. It is pi plus 2 by pi. So the required radius is pi plus 2 by pi, pi. Pi plus 2 by pi. You are given a circle of radius r and its area is pi r square. And it is equal to the perimeter of semicircular disk of the same radius. Okay. A semicircular disk of the same radius will have perimeter how much? It is this circular part, this curved part will have half of the full circle, that is pi r, plus this diameter is twice the radius, that is 2r. So here this 2r, it is equal to pi r square. From here r is common, pi plus 2 comes, r into pi plus 2 comes, is pi r square. R is non-zero, it is a positive, it is a circle, so it is a positive, you can cut off. So you have pi r is pi plus 2, you need r, so pi plus 2 by pi. So let's pick up this choice. Yeah. It is pi plus 2 by pi. Answer is C. Answer is C. C is the right answer. Pi plus 2 by pi. Yeah. Well, 11th question. I think we can complete this before 1 hour of the complete time. Right. I have about 5 minutes more. If the 23rd term of an AP exceeds 16th term by 21, then the common difference is. For an AP, the difference of 23rd term and the 16th term is given 21. So T23 minus T16 is 21. 23rd term exceeds 16 means T23 minus T16 is 21. So yeah, let us look at this. This is question number 11. T 23rd minus T16 is 21, right? Twenty-third exceeds the 16th term. 23rd term exceeds the 16th term by 21, right? Yeah. 23rd term minus 16th term is 21. So yeah, what is 23rd term in an AP? It is A plus 23 minus 1 into D minus 16th term is A plus 16 minus 1 into D is 21. Okay, 23rd term, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute n 23. So you have 23rd term is A plus 23 minus 1 into D. Similarly, A plus n minus 1 into D is nth term. T16 will be A plus 16 minus 1 into D. So this is A plus 22D. Okay, this is A plus 15D is 21. A cancel out. A cancel out. And you have 22D minus 15. 22 minus 15, that is 7D. This is 21. So D is 3. right? 20, right? A minus A cancel out. 22D minus 15D. D is common. 22 minus 15 is 7. So 7D is 21. 7 cancels in 21 three times. So D is 3 units. So that is the answer. So 3. C is the answer, right? Yeah, answer is C. Let's look at the final question and stop. I mean, for this session, it is final question. So it is question number 11. Question number 12. I did question number 11. Yeah. Two dice are thrown simultaneously, and the product of the numbers appearing on the tops is noted. The probability of the product to be less than 6. Yeah. So this is question number 12. Right. Two dice are thrown. Let this be first die. Or let this be second dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers that appear on the second dice. And these are the numbers that appear on the first dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have to go for the product of them. 1, 1 appears, it is less than 1. 1 into 2 appears, that product, the product of 1 and 1, if 1, 1 appear on the pair, it becomes, product is 1. Is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 5 is 5. These are the products that are less than 6. So 1 into 6 should not be taken because this product of the pair 1, comma 6 becomes 6, which is equal to 6. Similarly, here 2 into 1 is 2 is allowed. 3 into 1 is 3. And then 4 into 1 is 4. 5 into 1 is 5. 6 into 1 is not. 6 into 1 is not allowed. But as because product is 6. 5 into 1 is 5. Product is less than 6. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So 2 into 2, 4 is allowed. 2 into 3 is not allowed. 3 into 2 is not allowed. Okay. Yeah. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is not allowed. Further are not allowed. 3 into 2 is not allowed. So these are all. Okay. How many are there? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 choices. These are 10 products that are favoring the required condition. So required probability is number of favorable events by total number of events. You have 6 choices here, 6 choices here, 6 into 6, 36 choices. So this simplifies to 5 by 18. Right? The event here is product is less than 6. So these are all the favorable events. These are all the favorable events. 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on, and 2, 1, 2, 2, and so on. These are 5 in number. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 3, 10 events in all. So number of favorable events is 10. Total number of events in the sample space is total number of products possible, or 6 by 6 is 30 products, 36 products possible. So these are the points in the sample space. So required probability is 10 by 36, that is 5 by 18. Okay, this is the required answer. Yeah, answer is C. Answer is C. With this, I stop. All the best.